Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Tempt Bluetooth 5.2 neckband. Now this product is priced at $649 and you can buy it on their official website or Amazon or Flipkart. Now the main highlights for this particular product is obviously its price. It's just $649, and the next thing would be its overall design and build, and finally it also has pretty good battery life. So without any further delays, let's get on with the unboxing. Here's the box once again. It says Tempt. There's a preview of the neckband earphones. It has 1 year of warranty. There are some highlights. Here it says Oxy Acoustics. Underneath it says Rush. On the side there are some more highlights. On the back side we have specifications, preview of the earbuds, and it says it's made in India. Now let's unbox it. The box has a nice rope on the top. It looks pretty good. Probably used for hanging in stores. Anyway, first there's a card with QR code for user manual and warranty card. Next there's the earphones. And underneath that we have the micro USB charging cable. Now the entire neckband is in black. It has a very flexible rubber build. On one side there are 3 buttons, plus, minus and equals to buttons. Above the buttons there's a LED indicator, and there's also a micro USB port, very well protected. On the other side there's just the Tempt branding. Now these are the earbuds. They also come with ear wings, which is pretty good. They also have magnets on the back. There's no functionality like auto pairing with these magnets. They're just used to hold both the earbuds. Now finally, the entire product except for the wires has a nice matte finish, which definitely makes it look much more premium. Now this product has a playback time of 35 hours. It comes with 10mm drivers with Qualcomm CSR 8635 chip. It also comes with a vibrator for notifications and stuff. Next, it has IPX7 sweat and water resistance. It has Bluetooth 5.2 and has a standby time of 120 hours. Now let's look at the pairing process. We just need to press and hold the equals to button and it'll turn on and enter the pairing mode. By the way, when you turn it on, it vibrates for like 1 or 2 seconds, which can be a bit annoying, but it's a very nice feature that will let you know that the neckband has been turned on. Like on most neckbands, you just get a small LED light, that's it. So a vibrator is definitely pretty good. Now on your phone, just search Bluetooth settings, click on Tempt Rush, just tap on it and that's it. The neckband will be paired. I'll start the review with the design and build. Now this product definitely looks pretty cool, and I'll honestly say that this is one of the best looking neckband or earbuds that I've seen under 1000 rupees. Like it's under 700 rupees. For the price, build quality is really top notch and I personally really like it. As for audio quality, it's pretty good. It's definitely worth the price, and surprisingly it's also pretty loud even at lower volumes. Call quality is pretty loud and clear for both parties. Signal reception is also uninterrupted. By the way, every time you get a call, you also get a vibration feedback on the neckband. That's new and it's a pretty unique feature that's probably only on this neckband. Even the battery life is pretty good. You get about 35 hours of playback and a standby time of 120 hours. So guys, to conclude, it's a very good product under 700 rupees. It has a very good build quality. Audio quality is also pretty good. It has basically all the features that you can ask for, and you also get this vibration alert, which is a brand new feature, I would say, especially in this segment. It also has IP rating, so it basically has everything. So for a starting price of $649, I'll definitely say it's a steal. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. See you in my next one.